Hey everyone, welcome back to the box Trix. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable unknown sources on your device and install Downloader. So let's get started. The first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll to settings. You're gonna click down and you're going to go to My Fire TV, select it. You're going to select Developer Options, and you want to turn on ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. So it's going to give you this pop-up. Just go ahead and select turn on. So from here, that's how you turn on apps from unknown sources and ADB debugging. So let's go ahead and install the app called Downloader. From here on your Fire Stick remote, there is a button that has a house on it. Go ahead and select it. It's going to take you directly back to the Amazon home screen. All right, so in the upper left-hand corner, there is a magnifying glass. Select it, and you're going to type in Downloader. All right, so go ahead and click down. It's going to highlight yellow. Go ahead and select OK. Go ahead and select Downloader. And go ahead and select it. And it's going to tell you that it's queued, and then it's going to start downloading. All right, from here you could select open, or you could select the button on your remote that has the house on it, and that'll take you back to the Amazon home screen. I just wanted to go over this. It's a short and sweet video, straight to the point, how to enable unknown sources so you can install other apps. And Downloader is a fabulous app that basically allows you to, it's like a web page that you can type in different URLs, and it's very helpful to install other applications. So if you guys find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. That way you'll be notified the next time we upload a video. And just want to say thanks for watching.